Got a 2014 Ford Fusion. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. We're going to be using the controls over here, not these ones. We're going to use the ones on the left side of the wheel. So you put the key in the ignition and turn it twice, but don't start the car. So you'll bring up just all your normal menus, flip through that stuff. And then when you get to your normal menu here, you're going to hit the left arrow on this, and that's going to bring this menu up. And from this menu you're going to click down, and you're going to go to settings, and you're going to click OK. And then when you get to here, you're going to go to vehicle, hit OK, click down, go to oil life reset, and then click on set to 100%, and then you can go back, and that should reset everything. We'll start the vehicle and make sure. So engine on, yeah, I know that. I'll get the door there. Let's see if the engine oil light comes back on. So oil light is gone and you're all set to go.